240. That's the engine I'm gonna get out of here, take into Spokane, take the engine out of my Dart, just drop this one in, drop the 4-speed out, and put another one in. Steven, he's gonna help me. It's my dad's Challenger. We're gonna do it, aren't we? Give it a hard charge. I brought these wheel dollies. See if we can jack up the back, get some air, the tires, throw these under there, see if we can swing the back end over just so we can get enough room to hopefully get between there. A lot safer. Alright, so down. Okay.
Yeah, it's right as hell on the road.
Okay.
Alright, you good?
Yeah.
Need a little more muscle there, boys.
Come on, Ian.
Get up, come on. Wait a minute. It says neutral.
Came off of one, but that's good. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Alright. Where's that rubber block? Grab the rubber block, put it in front of behind this tire over here.
Yeah,
Alright.
good. Should be.
You want to help with this?
Alright. Where do you want to move these hoses?
Those over
Sure.
there. Yeah,
Alright.
I can move them later.
Okay. I'm going to set these right here for the moment.
We got the engine hoist coming now.
Move it there.
The engine is unearthed. It's been a while. It's been sitting there for many years. It's good to see it get used.
Judah, grab the tail shaft on that. We're going to go over there with it for the moment. Pick it up again, pick it up a little bit more.
Oh, go ahead.
Yeah, I don't think it's, yeah, it's not going anywhere.
Whoop.
Alright, so, get ready to start letting it loose.
We can wrestle it back. There we
More
go.
clear so he can close the tailgate. Yep. Alright, you're good. Now, see. Got it close. Nice. We've got about 2.5 inches between the tailgate and the.
Thanks. We're back at the Schmidt house. That's Steven right there. this is what we're going to put that 340 into. The whole reason being, if you look, notice it's up on jack stands in the front right now. What happened simply was after I fixed my gas tank, after it imploded on me, I got that switched out, put gas in it, went to start it up, and I turned the key and all I heard was a click with the starter. I'm like, are you kidding me? Tinkered with it, blah blah blah. It gave me problems in the past. So what I did was I dropped the starter, and as I was down here, I noticed right, oh, there's spider webs. Ugh. Right up there, if you can see that right there, we got some rust on the outside of one of my freeze plugs. And I'm like, great. And then I went over here, looked, same thing, had another one. But these freeze plugs have been in here for quite a while, probably 30 some years at least. I'm 51 now, and I had this thing driving like when I was in college my freshman year, like 18. So it's a 340. So what we're gonna do, simply pull this one out, take that other one, slap it back in, switch out the 4-speed also, because I have another one of those, because this don't like second gear. And Steven and I are gonna see if we can do this in a day or two. Today's Friday, he's gonna be here Saturday also, and we're at least gonna swap out the engine and transmission. Let the games begin.
So this is what we want to see from Scott from Heaven's Mopars. As you can see, there is a little bit of sky showing underneath the front tires like that. That's about what we want to see when he launches off the line at No Name Nationals. Get them wheels high, hang them long.
This is when I need my tripod.
There we go.
Oh.
He comes bearing a gift.
That's where you went. Thanks, Dad. This goes back into the back of the crank for a 4-speed. And that can go right in there.
Fit in there.
Yeah. Well,
Needs to be driven
you'll have to
in.
drive it in, but
Yeah.
looky over there. We are about to start. We have my stopwatch ready to go. Got my dad over here in the grandstand, and Steven, he's my pit crew. And we're gonna do the 1, 2, 3 thing, and then it's gonna be a mad dash. See how quick we can get this engine out of here.
Yeah, this is going to be interesting.
Here we go. On your mark, get set. I shut it off. Wrong button.
All the time in the world.
Yeah, it's like, take your time. There it is, right there. Okay, on your mark, get set. We're off.
There you go.
we are into this an hour or so. Everything's done for the most part. Got the power steering to do, manifolds. Steven's pretty much got it taken care of down below.
Yep. All we got to do is slide 2 bolts out and then slide the transmission back. That's where we go.
Nice. We're into this an hour and, well, it was an hour and 5 minutes when we were taking a break. 1 hour and 11 minutes. We stopped it at 106. So we're getting there. Pretty good. Dad, he says he's out of here. It's time for him to go home. He's got to head back to Newport and go from there. Yeah. Take a break and keep recording. Bye, Dad. Love you.
Another time.
He did it. Got the transmission out. Dun-na-na-na. Sitting on the ground down there. All right. Trying to get the manifold brake bolt broke loose. And Steven with his trophy. Dun-na-na-na. It looks like a...
That kicked my butt.
An hour and 36 minutes is our time. Engine is ready to come out. Thank you. Do the two brushes. Do what you were just doing with the 2 brushes at the same time.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you were. You was over here. I was like, dang, dude. Quite the, what do they call that? Not multitasking, but ambidextrous when you can do 2 things at once.
That was easy.